Welcome! In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to create subscript and superscript text in Notion using math equations and tech notation. First, you want to type /math to bring up the math block options. You can choose block equation if you want your formatted text to appear on its own line. For text that flows naturally within a sentence, select the inline equation option instead. Here's where you'll enter your content using tech notation, which is a special formatting language for mathematical expressions. The syntax is straightforward. Use an underscore for subscript, a caret for superscript, and if you need multiple characters together, just wrap them in curly brackets. Once you've typed your tech formatted text exactly how you want it, go ahead and click Done to apply the formatting. Perfect! Your subscript or superscript text is now beautifully formatted and visible on your page. That's all there is to it. You now know how to add professional-looking subscript and superscript formatting to any Notion page.